Some factors can contribute to your trees growing in a crooked way. Wind, storm, rain, snow, and some other factors can play some part in your leaning tree. Steps on how to straighten a leaning tree. Step 1. Dig a hole around 18 inches away from the small tree. You can wet the ground where you are digging the hole earlier in the day. This will soften it and you will find it easier to pound in the stake. Step 2. You will need 1 or 2 stakes. Hit the stake to the ground, about 15 to 20 inches into the ground. Make sure to drive the stake opposite the tail of the tree. Step 3. Get your strap. Wrap it around the tree and the stake. Pull the tree and tie and secure the stake of the leaning tree. Step 4. Observe the tree and make the strap tight when it becomes loose. Straightening a big leaning tree. For straightening bigger trees, dig up the hole. Get your stakes. You might need more stakes for bigger trees. Drive the stake post to about 18 inches into the ground. Tie a rope around the tree and pull the tree towards your direction. Pull gently and not with force. Do this till the tree stands upright. Because it is a bigger tree, you might need some assistance if the tree is too heavy. You will need a bigger and firm rope to hold the tree. Secure the stake and rope after straightening the leaning tree. After 6 to 10 weeks you can remove the stake. But if you notice the tree begins to lean again, you will need to put the tree support back. At least for some weeks until your tree has become straight without the need for support. Be careful while trying to bend or pull the trunk of the tree upright to avoid damaging the trunk. Monitors your staked tree. Loosen the ties if you notice they are too tight. This will prevent the bark and trunk of the tree from getting weak. Remove the wire wind. This is because when the tree grows, it can grow around the wires and stop the natural movement of water and nutrients. Staking is a way of straightening a leaning tree. It is a mechanical process of assisting the trunk of a tree, making your tree sturdy and upright. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.